Hi people, welcome to Tots and Moms. I'm Kavita Prashant and today I'm making green gram and rice mash for babies and toddlers. This can be given to babies above 7 months when you have introduced all sort of vegetables and solids. You have started on solids for them in the form of puree especially, and now you want to introduce texture. This is a great idea, especially makes a great lunch food for them. Rice keeps them energized for a long time. It is easily digestible. Green gram on the other side is rich in protein. Makes for a great meal for them especially. So you can have your own variation. This is actually shown and made like khichdi. Today you can add other spices, you can add anything else your child loves or you want to introduce in terms of spices. No problem at all. And I have used green gram here. If you want to use moong dal, then it becomes a normal khichdi. Then you can also use millets in place of rice. So all sort of variations you can try. No need to worry about because now when your baby is introduced to solid, it has to actually be introduced to solid in terms of varieties as well. Otherwise, people stick on to giving only ragi or only rice cereal or only Cerelac store-bought ones. Anything and everything has to be in limit, especially when you are you can understand it for yourself. Would you like to have something regularly just because ragi is good? Would you like to have ragi every day? No. And if you like rice every day, the same rice, the same taste, no, right? So babies also like varieties, and this one will really make them happy, I'm sure. So let's dive right in and see how to make green gram and rice mash for them. To begin with, I am taking some amount of green gram. This is rinsed well. Following with rice. This is rinsed as well. The quantity you can take as per your baby's age. If you want to check the ingredients list, you can have a look at the blog once. I'm adding 2 cloves of garlic, followed by turmeric powder, cumin powder. You can add salt if you are making it for older babies. This is a good home remedy during cold. If you can make this, add a little pepper, or just all these ingredients would make great for toddlers as well. I'm adding little water. Don't add too much of water because you want to give it to them as a mashed textured porridge sort. We'll pressure cook this for about 3 whistles. In a pan it would take more of a time. If you can soak it and cook it, that would save a lot of time and even energy. Once cooked, it would look like this. Ensure that it is well cooked. Pierce a rice or green gram to check if it is well cooked. Now using a masher, I am mashing it like this. If you find it hard or if you have a hand blender, please use it. Blend it well until you get the texture preferred, and then it is ready to be served to baby. Green gram rice mash. Don't mash it too much. Keep a little texture. If you have not yet introduced texture, then maybe you can puree it, but not necessary. I forgot to mention that this also makes a great weight gaining food for babies and toddlers. You can make it once in a week and offer it to them. And yes, I have other recommendations of weight gaining food. You can try creamy potato mash, mashed vegetable and rice. You can try vegetable paneer puree, and something nice and different for them, amaranth porridge. So all the recipe links will be given on our blog, which is there in the description box. Please have a look there. And if you're somebody who's watching our video for the first time, please subscribe to our channel because we keep posting baby food recipes and kid food recipe on priority. And some of the parenting videos also keep coming in. So I really would be glad if you can join us in this journey of healthy parenting. And I'll see you soon in yet another video. Take care. Bye-bye.